What if you had the power to change the course of history? Sounds wild, right? But that's exactly what happened for Esther, a young Jewish woman who became queen in a foreign land. She didn't come from royalty, she wasn't trained to be a leader, but God had a plan, and Esther was right in the middle of it. When her people were threatened with destruction, Esther was terrified. I get it, who wouldn't be? The easiest thing would have been to stay quiet, to blend in, to hope someone else would step up. But Esther's story isn't about playing it safe, it's about stepping up, even when you're scared. She risked everything to speak up for her people. She didn't know how the king would react. She didn't have a guarantee that things would work out, but she trusted God and took a leap of faith. Her courage changed everything, not just for herself, but for an entire nation. Here's what hits me. God uses ordinary people, just like Esther, just like you and me. He orchestrates moments, sometimes scary, sometimes overwhelming, where we have a choice. Will we trust him? Will we be brave when it counts? Esther's story reminds me that courage isn't the absence of fear. It's moving forward in spite of it, trusting that God's timing is perfect, and that he equips us for whatever he calls us to do. So next time you feel small, outnumbered, or unqualified, remember Queen Esther. You don't have to have it all figured out. You just have to be willing to say yes when God calls. Who knows? Maybe you were made for such a time as this.